Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and dreaming of financial freedom? It's time to uncover the 5 little secrets to getting rich. These are tried and true strategies that have helped countless individuals build wealth and achieve their financial goals. So grab a pen and paper and get ready to take some notes, because these secrets could be the key to unlocking your financial potential. Secret number 1: pay yourself first. The first secret to getting rich is to pay yourself first. This means that before you pay your bills, spend money on non-essential items, or make any other financial commitments, you should set aside a portion of your income for yourself. This money should be used to save and invest for the future. Why is this secret so important? By paying yourself first, you are prioritizing your own financial well-being and taking control of your money. When you pay yourself first, you are setting aside funds for your long-term financial goals, rather than just spending your money on whatever comes your way. Think of it this way. If you don't pay yourself first, you are essentially working for free. All of the money that you earn is going towards someone else's financial goals, whether it's your landlord, the credit card company, or the grocery store. By paying yourself first, you are claiming a share of your own income and using it to work towards your own financial success. So how much should you be paying yourself first? It's up to you. But a good rule of thumb is to save at least 10% of your income. This may seem like a lot, but by starting small and increasing your savings over time, you can make significant progress towards your financial goals. So make the commitment to yourself and start paying yourself first today. If you want to learn more about these secrets to getting rich, be sure to click the link in the description. It will take you to a special resource that will give you even more tips and strategies for building wealth. Secret number 2: find your money a job. The second secret to getting rich is to find your money a job. This means that instead of letting your money sit idly in a savings account or under your mattress, you should put it to work by investing it in assets that have the potential to generate income or appreciate in value. There are many different ways to invest your money, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or a small business. The key is to find investments that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. For example, if you have a long time horizon and are willing to take on more risk, you might consider investing in stocks or a small business. On the other hand, if you are closer to retirement and want a more stable investment, you might consider bonds or real estate. By finding your money a job, you can potentially earn a return on your investment and grow your wealth over time. For example, if you invest $10,000 in a stock portfolio that generates a 7% return per year, after 10 years, your investment will be worth almost $20,000. So don't let your money sit idle. Find it a job and watch it work for you. Just be sure to do your due diligence and research your investment options carefully before making any decisions. Secret number 3: surround yourself with successful people. The third secret to getting rich is to surround yourself with successful people. This means seeking out mentors and building relationships with individuals who are already successful in their fields and who can offer guidance and support. Why is this secret so important? By surrounding yourself with successful people, you can learn from their experiences and insights, and gain valuable knowledge and skills that can help you achieve your own financial goals. Successful people can also provide valuable connections and opportunities, and can help you stay motivated and focused on your own path to success. In addition, surrounding yourself with successful people can help you adopt a growth mindset and a positive attitude towards success. When you are surrounded by people who are achieving their goals and living their dreams, it can inspire you to do the same. So don't be afraid to reach out to successful individuals and ask for their advice or mentorship. You never know what doors might open or what valuable lessons you might learn. And as you build relationships with successful people, be sure to pay it forward by helping others and sharing your own insights and knowledge. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like it, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give it a like. Your support helps us create even more valuable content for you. Secret number 4: protect your money. The fourth secret to getting rich is to protect your money. This means taking steps to safeguard your financial assets and minimize the risks that could threaten your wealth. There are several ways to protect your money. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money out across a variety of different investments to reduce the risk of losing it all. Insure yourself. Protect yourself against financial losses due to unforeseen events such as accidents, illness, or natural disasters. Avoid excessive debt. Debt can be a financial burden and can limit your ability to build wealth. Try to avoid taking on too much debt and pay off your debts as soon as possible. Keep an emergency fund. Set aside a portion of your savings for unexpected expenses or emergencies. This can help you avoid going into debt if something unexpected comes up. By protecting your money, you can ensure that it is there for you when you need it and that you are able to reach your financial goals. So don't take your wealth for granted. Take steps to protect it and keep it growing. Secret number 5. If it looks too good to be true, it probably is. The fourth secret to getting rich, as outlined in the book, The Richest Man in Babylon, is to remember that if it looks too good to be true, it probably is. This means that you should be wary of get-rich-quick schemes or offers that promise unrealistic returns or easy money. Why is this secret so important? It's because these types of offers are often scams designed to take advantage of people who are looking for a quick and easy way to make money. They may promise huge returns with little or no effort, but in reality, they are usually just trying to get you to part with your money. Instead of falling for these types of scams, it's important to approach financial opportunities with caution and to do your due diligence. Research the company or opportunity, seek out independent reviews and opinions, and be sure to understand the risks as well as the potential rewards. Remember, building wealth takes time and effort. It's not something that can be achieved overnight, and there is no such thing as a free lunch. So if an offer looks too good to be true, be skeptical and do your research before making any financial commitments. By following these 5 secrets to getting rich, you can take control of your finances and work towards achieving your financial goals. Remember to pay yourself first, find your money a job, protect your money, surround yourself with successful people, and be cautious of opportunities that seem too good to be true. With dedication, discipline, and a little bit of luck, you can build wealth and create a secure financial future for yourself. If you found these secrets to getting rich helpful and want to learn more about personal finance and wealth building, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week on a variety of financial topics, and we'd love to have you join our community. Our next video will be about top 3 wealth books, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.